Good morning, dear students. Now we start the question number 60. Balance sheet of J and K, who share the profit in the ratio of 3:2. Given in the balance sheet, reserve 1 lakh rupees, J's capital 1 lakh 50,000 and K's capital 1 lakh rupees. Cash 2 lakh and other assets 1 lakh 50,000. Further information is that M joined the firms on 1st April for half share in future profit. It means 1/2 shares by Mr. M and remaining 1/2 for old partners J and K. He pay 1 lakh as a goodwill and 3 lakh for the capital. Mr. M pay for goodwill 1 lakh and 3 lakh for his capital. Draft the journal entry and prepare the balance sheet of in each of the following case. Case 1. If M get his share of profit in profit sharing ratio of the old partner. It means M जो अपना 1/2 का पार्टनर्स बन रहा है वो इक्वल रेशियोज में दूसरे पार्टनर से शेयर कर रहा है. तो 3:2 is that the sacrificing ratio of the old partners. So case 1. Now question number हम देख रहे 60. Question number 60. Case first. Just wait. Case first. Case first. Sacrificing ratio is in this case is that 1:2. Sorry. Sacrificing ratio is that 3:2. 3:2 sacrificing ratios. So 1 lakh rupees goodwill distributed in the partners. सबसे फर्स्ट जर्नल एंट्री. फर्स्ट जर्नल एंट्री होंगी हमारी केस नंबर फर्स्ट में. रिजर्व डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे इन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल रेशियो. So reserve account debit amount is that 1 lakh rupees. To J's capital account or to another partner is a K's capital account. Amount distributed old ratio. So old ratio is that 3:2. It means 60,000 and 40,000. Narration हो जाएगा. Reserve transfer. The old partners their profit sharing ratio at the time of admissions of M. Another entry number 2. New partners M come with a cash 1 lakh and 3 lakh. So cash oblique bank. In the absence of information, we don't know he bought cash and bank. 4 lakh comes in a business. 2 premium for goodwill account is that 1 lakh. To M's capital account is that 3 lakh. Being cash bought for premium for goodwill and capital by newly admitted partners. That is the narration. Entry number 3. एंट्री नंबर 3 क्या बोल रही है जरा हम देखते बेटा. एंट्री नंबर 3 प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल को राइट ऑफ करेंगे बिकॉज अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 26 said if goodwill is paid for cash तभी हमारे बुक्स में शो होंगी. सो प्रीमियम फॉर goodwill account debit amount is that 1 lakh to in old partners their sacrificing ratio which is a 3:2 because old partners remaining partners their old ratio में शेयर कर रहे हैं. सो J's कैपिटल अकाउंट टू M's कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके 60,000 and 40,000 being goodwill transfer the partners their old part. Now balance sheet. Balance sheet required. First asset side में cash. Cash already in a old business 2 lakh and newly incoming partner bought a 4 lakh. It means total cash balance is that 6 lakh. You can say cash and bank balance. Now further other assets. Other assets given is of 1,50,000. Total of the asset side is that 7,50,000. Now liability side. Reserve we distributed. It means only capital account. Capital account. J, K and M. J's capital account in the old balance is 1,50,000 and further we also transfer the 60,000. It means 2,10,000 and further capital is that 60,000. It means 2,70,000. K's capital balance is that 1 lakh and capital 40,000. Again capital is that 40,000 for it means 1,80,000 K's balance. M's capital account is that only 3 lakh. Total of these 6 lakh, 7,50,000. Balance sheet total is matched. This one is a case number first. Are you getting what I am telling to you? तो हम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं इसको देखें. ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू.